How do you find out what your dream job is? And once you feel like you know, how do you get it? How do you achieve that?
I would say that the place to start is in trying to drown out all the noise of expectations, pressures from parents, family, friends, culture, teachers. Like there's so much that gets placed on top of us about what we're supposed to do. So the first thing to do is to try to really connect to your own authentic dream. So to do that, I'd recommend asking questions and exploring things like, what are my strengths or what are my gifts? What do I care most deeply about? What am I passionate about? All of these questions start to point you in that direction. Then at some point, you're trying to connect that thing to a real career that's sustainable and viable and gonna support you. And so start with Google and see which of those careers that you start to find feels inspiring and exciting. Talk to people that are doing that kind of work, seek them out for informational interviews, ask them questions like, what is it like to do this work? Whatever questions you want to know, what qualities make somebody successful in this career, all the kinds of things that you feel like you need to know in order to determine if it's a good fit for you. Ask people those questions. Don't just try to figure it out researching on Google for hours and hours and hours. Connect with the people that are doing it.